Wait, please, dude.
Okay, fine.
So guys, we're done with the ceramic, bro.
North borders ka guy.
Hey everyone, good morning. Back with Jash Boy. We are on our way to Pune right now. Long story short, we had shot a Cayenne coupe. Drove down to Pune to shoot just 3 cars, I think. So we're heading to Pune right now. It's around 8 o'clock in the morning. To avoid traffic, we left a little early. But it's pouring outside, and it's been pouring for I think the last 12 hours, bro.
Yeah, easily. Last night was mad.
It was lightning and everything. So yeah, we'll be shooting a 911 Carrera S, the new one, the 992. My friend Gaurav bought the car very recently, and in the evening I have a special surprise for y'all, which I will save for when we get there and when we meet the owner. So we're on our way, and I'll see y'all when we reach Ceramic Pro Pune. So guys, we made it to Ceramic Pro Pune right now. That's Ceramic Pro Pune back there, and this is what we've come to shoot. This is the lava orange 992 Carrera S. It's a beautiful shade and a beautiful spec. So yeah, I'll show you the car once I've started shooting with it. So guys, this car is in a very beautiful shade of lava orange, and that same shade has been carried on to the wheels as well. As you can see, the wheels have the same paint as the car. It's the same shade, and around the back he's debadged the Carrera logo. I think he's taken off the Carrera logo, which again I feel like looks nice. And the entire car has a pretty good stance to it. I mean, in the sun the color is really popping very well. I'm not so sure about the stripe on the hood, but I mean, still it's a pretty car nonetheless. So yeah, let's click some pictures. As the car is parked, always remember to put the side lights on even during the day. It gives a little more, what can I say, depth to the image. So yeah, just always put the side lights on, which is the DRLs, and make sure in a dark environment. This is a very dark environment, luckily. So yeah, the car looks good in the photos. So guys, we are here in Koregaon Park, is it, Jash?
Yeah.
So we are here in Koregaon Park right now. We're here to have some lunch, and I'm getting a call. Okay. Yeah, so we're here for some lunch, and we shot the Carrera S near the showroom itself. We're about to get some sushi. So yeah, and we're very hungry. So yeah, let's eat and then shoot. We are here in this restaurant called Moshi, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, so it's a cute little place. Gonna have some sushi now. Let's see how much this guy eats. Nice place. What are you gonna have?
I'm gonna have some ramen and some maybe prawn tempura. Let's see.
Chalo. Let's eat. lunch?
Phenomenal.
क्या
Love the show.
क्या क्या खाया तूने?
We had 4 sushis, we ordered Thai curry and Kung Pao chicken. This place is good.
This place is damn good. Like guys, I highly recommend coming to Moshi Moshi if you're in Pune. If you want to have Japanese cuisine or actually Asian cuisine in general, and it wasn't that expensive either. I mean, for how much the both of us ate, it was great. So if you're in the mood for sushi or Asian, come down here. And yeah, so now the plan is to go back to Ceramic Pro Pune to shoot the Carrera, but unfortunately we won't be able to take the car out for any other locations. So we'll be shooting it inside the basement. Now hopefully that basement shoot goes well. We have planned some photos inside the basement, but the basement isn't big enough, so we'll try to make the most of what we have. What are you editing?
Today's photos.
Dikha.
Shots.
Look at these guys, look at these. Oh, that's your boy right there.
There's another one. Yes. Yeah, delete हो गई.
क्या यार ठीक से एक फोटो भी नहीं रखता तू.
Phone पे.
फोटो भी नहीं रखता एक
Phone पे.
केयरलेस साला.
You wanna see the GT3 RS shots?
Oh yes, please.
The Nirmeet Patil signature shot.
Oh yes. Oh fuck my hand. Yeah. Oh damn, that's crisp. Follow my boy Jash. Jash Kothari. Wanker. Bye. So we'll see you once we're back at Ceramic Pro. So guys, we're down at the parking right now. This is the parking lot of the building. That's the Carrera. And we're going to try to do something here itself. I'll see if I can try and light paint here, but there's quite a lot of light, so I mean, I'll still give it a try. Let's see what we can do. Guys, we're done with the Ceramic Pro stuff. Now we're heading to a Starbucks to have some coffee since it's 5 o'clock in the evening and we need coffee. And yeah, so we are just headed to a Starbucks to sit and edit for a while as well. Gaurav might meet us there, it's not sure. We clicked some pictures in the basement and the pictures turned out really well. I wasn't able to shoot because this I don't know what doesn't know how to shoot videos. So yeah, so it's okay. I'll just add some photos which we clicked there. So yeah, let's head to Starbucks now. I'll sit and edit and yeah, and then we'll head back home. So hey everyone, yeah, it may seem a little weird that I ended the vlog there, but yeah, this is after a few weeks of actually shooting that vlog, because I haven't been very consistent with vlogging or recording or editing for that matter, because I have a lot of stuff going on. I have my work, I had my college stuff. I won't get into all those details, but basically yeah, I've been slouching with my vlogging, and I want to make that up now because I have a steady workflow, I have more time. Yeah, your boy graduated. yeah, that's pretty much it. The reason I ended the vlog there was because I didn't have enough clips to edit after that, and I didn't really shoot an outro. That's why this is being shot right now. And I just want to tell you all that I'm still gonna make vlogs. I'm still going to be on YouTube, and I will try to be as consistent with my vlogging as I can. Also, a lot of more vlogs are coming on the way. I also traveled to Delhi twice since this vlog basically. Once I went to BIC for an event, and the second time I just went to shoot with my friend Jash, which was an insane trip because we ended up getting only 4 hours of sleep in 4 days. So yeah, the entire vlog for that will also be coming hopefully soon. Now I'll be editing more often. So yeah, enjoy some of the pictures that I have from the shoot. I'll be putting them up right now, like somewhere, I don't know, here or maybe here, I don't know. So just enjoy the pictures that I clicked. These are some of the shots that I got in the basement when I went to the basement, and I think these are some of the best shots I've ever gotten of a car in the basement, and some of the outside shots as well. So it was a fun trip overall to Pune. It was just a drive and shooting a car and going back home like on the same day. But yeah, hopefully I have many more shoots lined up, so I'll be sure to vlog more often and show you all more of my experiences with shooting cars. So hope you enjoyed the vlog as always, and please like, share and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one. So peace out guys.